In today's video, I'm going to teach you for quick and easy styling, built-in tools and attributes. We'll walk through how to style a form in Mautic using features that are already there so you can get a clean, branded look without touching templates or complex code. Start by logging into your Mautic account. From the main navigation, head to Components, then open Forms. Choose the form you want to work on so you're editing the right place. This puts you inside the form builder where all the styling options we'll use are available. First, take advantage of the Form Designer. This is a visual tool that lets you adjust things like colors, padding, and fonts. If you have related plugins installed, you'll see even more controls here. The designer is great for quick alignment with your brand, setting button colors, tightening spacing between fields, and choosing font styles that match your site. These changes are straightforward, they're applied consistently, and they won't break the structure of your form. If you need more precise control, especially for unique tweaks or overrides, you can layer in your own styles. Go to the Fields section within the form builder and add a new field. Choose HTML area as the field type. This field is perfect for embedding style rules because it allows HTML content that can influence the entire form without modifying the underlying template. To keep things clean, turn off the option to show a header so this field doesn't display a title above your form. Next, open the Properties tab for that HTML area field. This is where you'll paste your CSS form style code. If your code isn't already wrapped, place it inside a style tag so the browser treats it as styling rather than visible content. For example, you can target labels, inputs, and buttons, adjust font sizes, define spacing, and set hover states. A helpful tip is to scope your CSS carefully. Use the form's unique class or classes you've assigned in the designer to ensure these rules affect only this form and not other parts of your site. This approach gives you the best of both worlds, the ease of visual controls and the flexibility of custom styling, all within the form interface. That's the workflow. Open your form, use the form designer for fast visual adjustments, then add an HTML area field, hide its header, go to the Properties tab, and paste your CSS. With these built-in tools and attributes, you can style quickly, keep your changes organized, and maintain full control over the look and feel of your Mautic forms.